How to get best game time discount promo codes. Want to score the best deals on tickets with Game Time? Here's how to find and use promo codes for maximum savings. So start by checking trusted coupon sites. Verified codes here often give you 10 to 50% off or $20 off your first purchase. So among the most popular coupon sites would be Coupon Follow and Retail Me Not. So to be able to copy the code from this website, you just need to simply click on the show code button and then you'd be able to find the code. So copy that and then head back to Game Time and then check out a ticket. And then on the checkout, go ahead and enter the discount code on the discount box. Always use verified codes first. These are tested and guaranteed to work, unlike community submitted codes which may be expired. So open the app, go to your profile, and then tap on redeem code, enter your promo code, and enter your promo code here to apply the discount instantly. Many codes are designed for new customers, so if it's your first purchase, you often get the biggest savings. Game Time also runs seasonal promotions. During big events like playoffs or concert, these can add extra discounts on top of promo codes, and that is how you can get the best Game Time discount promo codes.